Hi, I'm Jay with SIGA, and we're here at a construction site that's ready to install a vapor control layer. What we're first going to do to prepare the vapor control layer mounting is install our double-sided tape called Twinet. This allows for an adhesive on each wood stud to then adhere the vapor control layer to. In this case we have wood studs, and they're going to install dense packed cellulose at a later stage. So we are ready for the vapor control layer now. Twinet is very handy, both wood and metal. Metal, obviously, where you can't staple, this really becomes a great tool for mounting vapor control layers. First step for mounting the Twinet, start at the top of the wood stud. And as I work my way down, I'm going to apply plenty of pressure to the Twinet to make sure it's adhered nicely to the wood stud. Once I reach the bottom, I'm just going to cut off the Twinet. And I'm going to move on to the next stud. So now we've installed Twinet on each wood stud. We're ready to install our vapor control layer. Thank you for watching.